In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Ai. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a structured project with Asana's AI, starting from your home screen and ending inside a ready-to-use project. First, open Asana and head to your home view. This is the best launching point because it centers you in the correct workspace and gives quick access to your sidebar. Take a second to confirm you're in the workspace and team where you actually want the project to live, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. In the left sidebar, locate your team area and open the team that should own this new project. This ensures permissions, collaboration, and notifications are aligned from the start. Now, hover over my workspace in the sidebar. You'll see additional options appear when you hover, which is a handy Asana pattern for revealing quick actions without clutter. From there, choose Create Project. This opens the project creation flow where you can decide how the project should be structured. At the top of the creation screen, click Create with AI. This tells Asana you want help drafting the initial framework, things like sections, tasks, and suggested workflows based on your intent. It's ideal when you have a goal in mind but don't want to start from a blank page. You can begin by browsing the project suggestions that Asana AI displays. These are curated starting points for common workflows, and they're great when your use case fits a familiar pattern. Selecting a suggestion is fast, and you'll still be able to tweak the outcome once it's generated. If none of the suggestions fit, type your own prompt. Be clear and specific about what you're trying to achieve. Include the project's purpose, the scope, any key milestones or phases, and the time frame if you have one. If there are important stakeholders or handoffs, mention those too. The more concrete your prompt, the better the structure Asana AI will propose. After you submit, wait for it to load. You'll see Asana processing your input and assembling the project. This may take a moment, especially if your prompt is detailed. Don't worry, you can refine the result once it appears, so it doesn't need to be perfect on the first pass. When generation is complete, click Go to Project. You'll land inside your new AI-created project with sections and tasks ready to review. Scan the layout to confirm it matches your intent, and you're all set to start working. That's the complete flow from home to team to creating a project with Asana AI.